In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install Snapchat on your iPhone. So from the App Store, you want to search for Snapchat. Then here you're going to select the download or get icon. Once the app is downloaded, select open. And then if you're new, select sign up. Here I'm going to say don't allow, select what best applies to you. Provide your first name and the last name is optional. Then select continue. Specify your date of birth and select continue. Your username will be shown here. Then select continue. Here just specify a password for your account and then select continue. Here you can use an email address or use a phone number. I'm just going to use an email address. Then select finish. Here I'm just going to skip this phone number portion. Then select continue if you want to find all your friends. But here I'm just going to say don't allow. These are some creators that Snapchat is suggesting. I don't want to follow any right now, so I'm just going to skip. Select continue to create your Bitmoji. Select OK. Select allow. Select a Bitmoji and then select continue. Here I'm just going to select done to continue. And that's it. Your Snapchat is all set. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.